In this video, what we're doing is TIG welding the magazine housing to the lower receiver to get a complete weld all the way around the magazine housing to the lower receiver. We spot welded in earlier, now filling in the gaps and getting a complete fit up all the way around. From here, once completed with this, we'll take it to the machining center and we'll remove all the excess material around the magazine housing and also the front and rear of the receiver. There's a fair amount of TIG welding to do to complete this project.